In this video, we'll show you how to use the pie chart in Minecraft. If you find it useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to see exactly what's happening behind the scenes of your game, the pie chart is your best friend. It's a built-in tool in the Java edition that breaks down everything from lag spikes to the specific entities loaded in your world. So if you're looking to find a hidden base or just fix your FPS, I'll show you exactly how to navigate it. Alright, so first, let's get the chart on your screen. You need to be on Java Edition for this. What you need to do is press F3 on your keyboard to open the debug screen, and you'll see this. You can see FPS and stuff like that. And now, to show the pie chart, you need to press F3 plus 1 on your keyboard at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. The pie chart should appear in the bottom right corner. Each slice of that pie represents a different process your computer is running to keep the game alive. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments as well. Apex Hosting makes everything way easier since you don't have to deal with port forwarding or complicated files. You can manage everything from one control panel, and your server runs 24/7 without relying on your own PC. Once you click the link below, just scroll down to select your server RAM. You can select 4GB, 6GB, 8GB, or you can custom it if you want. So let's select 6GB, we click order, and it'll bring you to the order page. Now here you can select the server version. They have vanilla Minecraft and also a bunch of mod packs if you want to play Minecraft with mods. Select the server location closest to you and complete your order. After you complete your order, you can go to Apex panel. You'll get an email to log into your panel, and here you can find your server IP address, which you can share to your friends for them to join. And also you can change the game file if you want to change the mod packs. Now if you look at the legend, each category has a number from 1 to 10. So if you go back to the root by pressing 0 on your keyboard, the biggest slice is usually render or frame, which is just the game drawing the blocks you see. Tick is another big one. It's the processing logic like gravity, fire spreading, or mobs moving. Now to enter a slice and see more detail, you can press the number on your keyboard that matches the category. So for example, I want to go to tick and see more detail on there. I can press 2 on my keyboard, and now I can see the tick category in more detail. To go back, as I said, you can press 0 on your keyboard. To navigate around, you press the number that represented. So let's go back. Let's say your game is lagging and you want to know why. You can go to the tick category, press 2, and then you want to go to entities, and here you can see everything around you that's being rendered. So in my case here, I cannot see the pie chart anymore because it's too big. You can go to the game menu, and then you want to go to options, video settings, and here change the GUI scale to your likings. So for example, let's change it to 2. I think it's pretty good. Let's open up the pie chart again. And there we go. Inside these entities, you can see there is skeleton close to me, zombie, player, which is me, chicken. All right, let's go back to the tick category. And now I'll show you the pie ray, which is what most people use the chart for. To find things like strongholds or dungeons. So if you go back to the root, you want to go to tick, press 2, and then you want to go to block entities, press 2 again, and here you can see mob spawner or chest. If you see those slices appear, it means there is a spawner or chest currently loaded in your render distance. If you turn your character and those slices grow larger, you're looking directly toward the structure. So just move around and use it as a guide. Now, as I said before, to go back to root, you can press 0 on your keyboard to back up 1 level. Once you're done, you can press F3 again and clear everything off your screen and get back to regular gameplay. And that's it. Now you know how to actually navigate the Minecraft pie chart. It's a bit overwhelming at first, but once you learn the path, you can find almost everything in your world. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.